In a world flooded with beauty filters and chemical creams, the real secret to glowing skin lies in nature and science. What if you could unlock radiant skin just by changing simple habits? Backed by dermatologists and scientific research, here are 10 powerful, natural ways that truly transform your skin from the inside out. 10 scientifically proven ways to make your skin glow naturally. Number 1. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is one of the most overlooked yet powerful ways to get naturally glowing skin. Scientifically, water plays a vital role in maintaining skin turgor, elasticity, and cell function. A study published in the Journal of Clinical, Cosmetic and Investigational Dermatology 2015 found that increasing water intake by more than 2 liters a day can significantly improve skin hydration, elasticity, and smoothness within just 30 days. When the body is well hydrated, blood circulates efficiently, helping to deliver nutrients to skin cells and flushing out toxins through sweat and urine. The result is a visible glow and a fresher look. Drinking at least 2.5 to 3 liters of water a day is essential. Starting your day with a glass of lukewarm lemon water can also help boost vitamin C levels, which further enhances collagen production and skin brightness. Number 2. Eat antioxidant-rich foods. A diet rich in antioxidants is crucial for radiant skin because antioxidants fight free radicals that damage skin cells and accelerate aging. According to a study published in Dermatoendocrinology, 2012, nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin E, beta-carotene, and polyphenols protect skin against environmental stressors such as pollution and UV radiation. Consuming foods like berries, oranges, spinach, carrots, tomatoes, and sweet potatoes regularly helps in maintaining skin elasticity and tone. For example, amla, Indian gooseberry, which is extremely rich in vitamin C, has been traditionally used in Ayurveda for centuries to rejuvenate the skin and prevent pigmentation. Thus, a colorful plate of fruits and vegetables does more than nourish, it heals and glows your skin from within. Number 3. Get moderate sunlight. Moderate sunlight exposure is important because it stimulates vitamin D synthesis in the skin, which is essential for skin immunity and repair. A short duration of 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight, especially in the early morning hours, helps the body produce adequate vitamin D without the harmful effects of UVB exposure. According to Harvard Medical School and data from the National Institutes of Health, vitamin D not only strengthens bones but also improves skin barrier function and hydration. However, it's critical to balance sun exposure, as overexposure after 10 a.m. can damage collagen and lead to premature aging or pigmentation. So, stepping out for a short walk or yoga in the morning sunshine can significantly improve your skin's natural glow, safely and effectively. Number 4. Reduce stress. Managing stress is one of the most underestimated skincare strategies, but it's scientifically backed. The connection between emotional stress and skin health is now well established through studies like the one published in Acta Dermatovenerologica, 2014. When you are stressed, your body produces high levels of cortisol, a hormone that triggers inflammation, increases sebum production, and worsens conditions like acne, psoriasis, or eczema. Practicing mindfulness techniques such as yoga, meditation, or even deep breathing for just 20 minutes a day can reduce cortisol levels and improve skin clarity. Indian practices like pranayam, regulated breathing, and adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha have been clinically proven to reduce stress markers and indirectly boost skin texture by calming the mind and improving hormonal balance. Number 5. Get enough sleep. Sleep is not just rest for the body, it is a healing therapy for your skin. When you sleep, your body enters a repair mode, and skin regeneration happens at its peak. Research from University Hospital's Case Medical Center, 2010, demonstrated that people who get 7 to 9 hours of sleep show 30% better skin barrier recovery and reduced signs of aging compared to those with irregular sleep cycles. During deep sleep, the body boosts collagen synthesis, improves blood flow to the skin, and repairs daily damage caused by UV exposure and pollution. This is why consistent, uninterrupted sleep is often referred to as beauty sleep. For enhanced results, sleeping on a clean pillowcase and maintaining a regular bedtime routine can further accelerate skin health. Avoiding screens before bed also helps reduce blue light exposure, which is known to disturb melatonin production and indirectly harm skin regeneration. Number 6. Use natural oils. Applying natural oils externally can make a significant difference to your skin's glow and moisture balance. A 2018 review published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences confirmed that oils like coconut oil, almond oil, and rosehip oil contain fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins that nourish the skin barrier, prevent transepidermal water loss, and reduce inflammation. Coconut oil, for instance, contains lauric acid, which has antibacterial properties, while almond oil is rich in vitamin A and works as an emollient for dry skin. Rosehip oil is known to brighten the skin and fade dark spots due to its high vitamin A content. Applying these oils gently at night, alone or mixed with aloe vera gel, allows them to work overnight and restore the skin's natural glow. These oils also protect against oxidative stress caused by environmental pollutants. Number 7. Avoid excess sugar and processed foods. Reducing sugar and processed food intake is critical for healthy, glowing skin because sugar accelerates a process called glycation, which damages skin collagen. A study in the Journal of Clinical Aesthetic Dermatology, 2010, showed that excessive sugar binds with proteins in the skin to form advanced glycation end products, AGEs, which make the skin stiff, less elastic, and prone to wrinkles. Processed foods also increase inflammation, worsen acne, and dull the skin's surface. By replacing refined carbs and sugary snacks with whole grains, fresh fruits, vegetables, and natural sweeteners like honey or jaggery in moderation, you can slow the aging process and maintain skin brightness. Eating foods with a low glycemic index, like oats, brown rice, and green leafy vegetables, also helps stabilize insulin and prevents hormonal imbalances that affect the skin. Number 8. Exfoliate with natural ingredients. Gentle exfoliation using natural ingredients is another key to unlocking a glowing complexion. According to the American Academy of Dermatology, exfoliation removes dead skin cells that accumulate on the surface, unclogs pores, and allows better absorption of moisturizers and serums. However, it must be done gently and not more than 1 to 2 times a week. Number 9. Use herbal remedies. Herbal remedies from Ayurveda and plant science offer natural solutions for radiant skin, backed by both tradition and modern research. Aloe vera is a well-known skin hydrator and healer. A 2008 study in Phytomedicine confirmed that topical aloe increases collagen and improves skin elasticity. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is anti-inflammatory and can brighten the skin while reducing scars and pigmentation. Neem leaves have powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties, making them ideal for acne-prone skin. Number 10. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise is one of the most natural ways to boost your skin's glow from the inside out. A 2014 study conducted by McMaster University in Canada found that people who exercise regularly have visibly younger looking skin, even at the cellular level. Physical activity improves circulation, which increases the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to skin tissues. Sweating also helps flush out toxins through pores, leaving the skin clear and vibrant. Moreover, exercise reduces stress, regulates hormones, and promotes better sleep, all of which are essential for healthy skin. Activities like brisk walking, yoga, cycling, or even dancing for 30 minutes a day can keep your skin vibrant, youthful, and naturally glowing. Let's quickly recap the 10 natural things that make your skin glow, all backed by science. Number 1. Drink 2.5 liters of water or more. Number 2. Take antioxidant-rich food like berries, nuts, and greens. Number 3. Expose your body to the morning sunlight to get vitamin D. Number 4. Reduce your stress with yoga and meditation. Number 5. Sleep at least 7 hours a day. Number 6. Use natural oils like coconut and rosehip. Number 7. Use low sugar and avoid processed food. Number 8. Exfoliate naturally 1 to 2 times a week. Number 9. Use aloe vera and turmeric. Number 10. Exercise 30 minutes a day. If you follow even 5 out of these 10, you'll start seeing visible changes in just 2 to 4 weeks. Comment, which one will you try first? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wellness with Facts for more videos backed by research and nature.